Process of production to the product, that is the yellowish to white, slightly cream color, crude local salt or local AGARACHEM meat. This is a video in the series on locally produced Goan salt, which is very famous for its medicinal properties and fermenting capacity, and as a probiotic, and also a medicine on coughs and colds, because this is not an ordinary salt but this is a living salt. The life in the salt is attributed to large number of beneficial microorganisms, microbiota, which is a gift of the nature, the Arabian Sea and local estuaries, because there are salt pans on the banks of the Shapura River, the banks of Baga River, on the banks of Zuari River, and on the banks of estuaries like Mandavi. So, some of the biggest salt pans were on the banks of Sal River, but they are all extinct now except Kavelushim and at some other places, Sirlim. Then we don't see much of salt production. So this salt is fresh from what I mentioned in previous videos, that advocate Govinusno Bobe's one of the large salt pans, well maintained at Nerul Bardis, and he has been producing it for decades now, and he does not care for the hard work or the sun and on, and he personally supervises, and this salt crystal is beauty. It is a magic of nature that I have visited his salt pan, and I am always fascinated to see the hard work which has gone into production of these nice crystals. And in fact, if you take any type of branded salt, you feel a particular chemical taste in your mouth as if you have eaten some chemical or some reagent in the name of sodium chloride, NaCl. But this is totally different. These crystals give you a different types of taste, flavor and texture on tip of your tongue, and you feel very nice when you dissolve them slowly in your mouth and you salivate and you swallow that saliva, and that saliva is highly medicinal and beneficial because it is a cocktail of halobacteria or halobacterium which have beneficial properties.